is another part of Survival Amazon. They're making some kind of thing they can dance on. Hopefully this shows up on YouTube, yeah. It might be pretty dark.
This is a soundtrack.
Oh, look at they're dancing around with the big circle.
You do like some kind of like dance around the fire. I don't understand what that was really about. I'm looking at this thing here.
Oh my god, that is like so damn cool.
It's really hard to do because that film is so small, but it's like the thing.
Yeah, my brother Steve edited this video.
It's real small.
Watch it.
I don't know how to speak it.
Watch his face. That is like so damn cool.
That's real cool. But John was hoping that this probably make a
this is cool.
That's what's part of the whole movie. He transforms into a demon. I think Jack was the idea. I got all the electrical facts.
Oh, here he comes, devil, Mr. Demon.
One part about Nicole is that he was the biggest drunk in the town of Wally you ever heard of. He was. He was. But
he was really nice.
He was. He did everything.
He was a very cool guy. I like him.
He was hard as far as the film goes.
Yeah, he was a good guy. He really was.
I was totally proud.
He was a good guy.
He threw down for us. We heard this 25 years later.
We all have our own issues. Oh, there comes the projector.
Yes.
From the language, sorry.
That's our business.
This is like the best part. Well, part of the best part. Watch. Evil demon.
He picked up like an old drain pipe. I don't know why it's up there, but it was. He threw it.
Have you seen it lately, what it looks like now? It's a big golf course now.
Is it? Wow.
Oh, yeah.
This is what I was still in development. We're going to be cardboard gigs. It's perfect.
It's totally different now. It's a golf course now. The location on this video is 7 miles between Newburgh Road and Farmington Road in Livonia, Michigan. And now it's a golf course and a bar right there.
Wow.
It is.
Well, obviously
Jerry Wagner.
I was doing the
crazy kid that I used to hang out with back in the day. He was very crazy.
Good time to actually film it. It's perfect.
Wally. I have so many good memories. These are good memories. I'm sorry. But they are. Don't you agree?
What?
Good memories.
Yeah. This soundtrack just looks good.
Yeah. Another part when he squirts blood out of his head.
Yeah, that was so creepy. The mannequin head.
It doesn't matter. He tried. Oh, there. He's squeezing his brains out. He's going to squirt the blood out of his head. Watch. Watch, everybody. Watch. Squirt the blood out. Watch the blood. Squirt. Oh, squirt.
The dead giveaway.
Of course, I'm recording this from the actual TV. Can you hear the projector in the background?
You can. 18 frames per second.
I just think you're talented.
There's a mannequin. I don't know where that came from.
I have no idea.
Bye from Mom. No, Mom wants to pick up all kinds of good stuff.
Yeah. So you think down the static, like this on YouTube.
Yeah, so you can bring up all day long. If you're going to record, you're going to record, you're going to do it. So Cole is going to do it. You know, you can't do it.
Well, I am going to do it. You know, I told you I was going to do it.
Yeah.
No matter what.
I mean, this whole thing on there, I think we're going to lose so much time. I was telling John if you all the time cuts on it, like when nobody's tripping transforming over the demon, and that was pretty awesome.
That was the best.
It was.
Well, one of the best parts.
I thought this was the obnoxious version. It's not. Come on, after. I'll use that version this again, but I don't think so. I didn't get the whole movie class, so I got just the first reel. First reel puts like a half hour, and the second one.
I'm gonna record it as long as I can,
Well,
and I'm gonna put the drunken deal stuff on. There's the one that looks like Mr. Safety with the Indian. Hi-yo-yo! Doctor with Kitty. Just hopefully it shows up on YouTube. I'm gonna record it as long as I can, then I'm gonna do the other thing, okay?
Okay.
Well, I can't record all of it. That's a Burger King hat.
It's real practice left for 10 minutes.
Huh?
It's real like left for 10 minutes or so. I don't know how much time was on for. It was on for a while. It says back then, no, it's really no. So what's the time? You know, the time.
I think you can get recognized, in my opinion.
Yeah, I think so. That's what John was
Just my
talking about.
friends on YouTube.
So many music.
YouTube directors. These are my brothers making videos when we were kids.
Yeah.
I think you should watch them, and you know, they're really funny and good. I think, in my opinion, really good for 80s movies. You know, you're just beginning and trying. I think they're good. See, I wouldn't tell you if you were talented or not. So.
What?
I think you're talented, in my opinion. I've always thought that forever and forever and forever since I was a kid. So.
Dude, I told John, every time I watch his movies, it screws up in the same exact spots every time. With the other version of it I did, it screwed up like in the same spot and I start cutting up stuff. That's like so crazy. You know, see it, it's no big deal. I just have a little more obnoxious and shit.
I'm going to do as much as I can, okay? I'm going to record it to 9 minutes, and then I got to cut off because that's as long as I can on this
go bad
video.
spots on his phone. Then you go through all the
These are old videos, so you people out there got to understand it's very old.
Excuse me.
So I'm trying to get as good as I can with TV, you know. Are you happy?
Yep.
My brother is very talented.
Totally, 110% black. I can't say that.
My brother in the background is the one that made all these movies, and I think he's very talented.
Well, John came up with his ideas also. A lot of his ideas he came up with.
And Brother John, too.
John was way up the team like, cool. He's saying all there up on the hill shooting down like, I don't know if I'm doing me. I think you're on ideas about.
Well, the next movie coming up is Drunk and Wild, or something like that.
John was going to do it.
So the next movie coming up on this reel, I'm going to do another whole movie on YouTube, is Getting Drunk.
That's that wagon there.
So.
He was under that. He was totally there.
Chic. The Chic.
Camera's projected or something. I get that projector. I got a projector I can get. Like $20, they don't get it. Projector, they're good quality.
Don't matter. You're going to stuff on YouTube. Trust me. You want to see how cool it is to transfer it? I'm going to show you how it happens. It's so easy. You just put the memory card in the computer, it transfers into the computer, and it shows you the video. You'd be very happy, trust me. Who's that?
One time I went to let's go video view back in the 80s, and they record on tape. It's such a horrible job. I was holy fuck.
Really?
It like $40. That's what I said.
Okay, well, I'm going to have to get off.